Have you ever wondered why knot tying is a vital skill? From the high seas of ancient mariners to the craggy cliffs scaled by modern climbers, knot tying has long been essential. It's a craft steeped in history, each knot a testament to human ingenuity, designed with a specific purpose and strength in mind. Knots have helped us secure loads, fasten sails, and even save lives. So, whether you are an outdoor enthusiast or just a curious learner, mastering these knots can provide solutions to practical problems. Meet the bowline, often referred to as the king of knots. This knot reigns supreme for its versatility and strength. Imagine you're out in the wild and need to form a secure loop at the end of a rope. The bowline is your go-to knot. It's also a lifesaver, quite literally, as it's been used in rescue operations for centuries. This knot isn't just about survival, it's about adaptability in countless situations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep trying until you master the bowline. Next up, the square knot, a simple yet effective joiner. This knot is perfect for connecting two ropes of equal thickness together. By mastering this basic knot, you can create a sturdy connection that's easy to undo. With the square knot in your arsenal, you're ready to tackle more complex tasks. Lastly, let's tackle the clove hitch, a quick and secure knot. Imagine you're securing a rope to a tree or a post. The clove hitch is your knot of choice. It's simple to tie, easy to adjust, and holds fast under load. There you have it, the clove hitch. Quick to tie, easy to adjust, and highly secure. So, why is knot tying such a timeless skill? It's simple. Knot tying fosters self-reliance and preparedness, equipping you with a versatile toolset for life's unexpected scenarios. From securing a tent on a camping trip to tying a hitch for transportation, knots provide practical solutions. And beyond utility, it's an art form, a connection to a rich tradition of craftsmanship that has been passed down through generations. Remember, in the world of knots, knowing just a few can get you through a lot. So why not start learning today?